Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of your favorite PE teachers from Aspendale Gardens Primary School. The one, the only, Mr. King.
Hello students of AGPS. Mr. King here to talk to you about how we play a brand new game called Zig Zag Hockey. Now who's excited about that? Excellent. Well, first you will need to go and find some equipment for this game. The equipment you will need to go find very shortly will include one broom. You will then need to find one laundry basket. You will then need to find 4 markers. So for example, this could include your shoes, okay? You will then need to find one ball. So for example, this could include a tennis ball. A ball of socks is also okay for this activity. And then the last thing you will need is a timing device. So for example, it could include an iPad or a watch, okay? Everyone get that? Excellent. Okay, I'm now going to give you some time to quickly go grab all of your equipment that you will need to play Zig Zag Hockey. Off you go. Alright everyone, now that you have your equipment, let's now take a look at how we need to set up Zig Zag Hockey. Everyone, let's now talk about how Zig Zag Hockey works. First, the aim of the game is for players to try and dribble their ball around each of the 4 markers and then to try and shoot their ball into the laundry basket once they get to the last marker. Players will have 1 minute to try and score as many points as they can. Players can use the timing device to keep track of the time. During the game, players must always dribble their ball around the outside of each of the 4 markers. Once players get to the final marker, they can try and shoot their ball into the laundry basket. If players miss the laundry basket, as I just did then, players will receive 0 points. However, if players shoot their ball and it goes into the laundry basket, players will receive 1 point. In the instance where the ball goes into the laundry basket and then rolls out, like my ball did there, players will still receive 1 point. Once players have had their shot at the laundry basket, players will need to dribble their ball back to the first marker for another turn. Players will keep dribbling and shooting their ball at the laundry basket as many times as they can until the 1 minute is up. The player who scores the most points will be the winner of the round. Players will play 3 rounds where the player who wins the most rounds will become the winner of Zig Zag Hockey. Alright everyone, so that is how you play Zig Zag Hockey. Now, go out, find someone to play with, see how many points you can score in each of the 3 rounds, and hopefully you score more points than the other person, where you become the winner of Zig Zag Hockey. Alright guys, good luck and have some fun.